everyone, this is Mary Beth from MBGray Designs. I'm so excited today. We have a collab called Shop Your House, and there's 14 of us in this collab, and it's a $150 Amazon giveaway. So what you have to do to enter is watch all the videos in the playlist, answer the question. Each creator will have their own, and you have until next Friday the 20th at 11:59 p.m. and then I will announce the winner on my community tab. All right, so today I have a few DIYs for you, and this first one is the window frame with a basket. So I have this older basket that I've had for a very, very long time. And I thought, well, what can I do with it? So I took 4 Dollar Tree canvases, where you can pull the canvas off and you have the wood frame. And this was so easy. I just took these frames. I used Truffle by Waverly, and I kind of watered it down a little bit, and so did kind of a fake stain on them. And I just hot glued them together with some Gorilla Glue. I did put some craft sticks on the back just as extra stability. And that created like a window. And then for the basket, I really wanted to use floral wire, but of course I didn't have any. I have some, I just couldn't find it. So I used some twine, and I just tied that basket on in actually 4 different areas. So it is on there really well. And then I just put some fun little like cotton and eucalyptus leaves and things like that in the basket. And I put a little wreath on it as well. And you could actually change this up for all the seasons. So this is definitely something you could use all year round. And it's just fun using things you already have and kind of rediscovering them and using them for a different purpose. So that's what this collab is about. Shop your house. So look at things in your house. Maybe it's something you haven't used for a while as a decorative piece or what have you, and paint it and freshen it up and make it new again to you. And it's just a lot of fun. So it's kind of like a thrift flip, but basically you're shopping your house. And so as I mentioned, there's 14 of us doing this collab. Wonderful, very talented ladies in this collab. And I will have the playlist listed below. And it's so much fun because it is a giveaway. And so each one of us are going to ask our own questions. I have a great question for you, like really good question. My husband told me to ask it. So it'll be towards the end, but stay tuned for that. All right, so getting back to my project. So that's really all I did. It was so super simple. Attach the basket and the wreath, and yeah, really easy. Didn't take very long at all. So sit back and enjoy, and I will catch up with you in just a moment.
Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride. Let your spirit shine through. Many more come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. 'Cause nothing can hold us back.
Well, I think it turned out so cute. And like I said, it would be so much fun to do different seasons, change up the florals, etc. Look at that coffee. Who doesn't like coffee? Well, if you ever would like to support my channel, you can buy me a coffee, and the link is listed in my description box. All right, moving on to DIY number 2. I didn't know what to call it, updated pottery. But I've had this piece for a very, very long time. Years ago, I bought it at Hobby Lobby. You'll see it here in a moment. There it is. Really pretty, red. I really liked it for a long time, and I still like it. But I decided to freshen it up. And so I'm using the color Vintage White by Melange, which is a new paint that I've just recently tried. And I actually really do like it. All I did with this one is I painted it, and then I used some of these transfers from Dollar Tree and just sporadically put them on. And I couldn't believe how well they went on. It was fantastic. And then I seal it up with a little bit of polyacrylic, and it was that simple. And boy, did this change the look of this. It really, really did. You could either keep the lid on, or you could even take the lid off and put florals in it, whatever you'd like to do. But I think this piece really was brightened up, and I love it now. So again, look for things in your house and you're like, oh, there's a vase, let me change it up or whatever. So hopefully this is bringing you some inspiration. All right, well, I'll catch up with you here in just a little bit. Don't forget, I'm going to be asking a question soon.
What to do? I am me and not you. Ooh, ooh, what to say? Please make the strain go away, pretender. How many right turns to reach some kind of goal? How many dressing up for me to play some ball? Seasons change, still the same range. What will it take? Tell me why the wait up and down.
Okay, there it is. I think it turned out really nice. I really like it. All right, so last DIY, I have a shelf that I updated, and actually that picture frame, see, that's on with the basket. The first DIY is sitting on top of the shelf that I updated. So you'll see here, look how dark the shelf is. It's really pretty. I got it again years and years ago. This was so quick, easy, and simple. I used Vintage White again by Melange and just painted this up and sanded it and sealed it, and it was good to go. Boy, did it brighten it up and freshen it up. I really, really love the outcome of it. What a little paint can do. Unbelievable. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready for my question? Here is my question. How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Tootsie Pop? That's my question. So go ahead and leave it in the comments. You'll be entered in for a $150 giveaway Amazon gift card, which I will be announcing next Saturday, the 21st. So you have until midnight or 11:59 p.m. on the 20th. Make sure to watch everyone else's videos, answer their questions because they all have their own questions. And good luck to all of you. If you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so grateful for you. And if you are new to my channel or coming over from one of the other very talented creators' playlists or videos, rather, I would love for you to consider joining my little YouTube family. I so appreciate all of you, and I'm so happy you are here. Thank you so much, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.